everyone, this is Brittany McLean, Environmental Coordinator with the City of Fredericton, joining you from behind the camera today. I have my lovely gardening assistants, Vernon and Hayden, helping me, and they're going to show you how to build an in-ground garden. Now, as you can see, we're building one on a hill, and that's because we're putting a pumpkin patch in behind our garage, but typically you would want a nice flat piece of land. So Vernon's going to demonstrate for you how you would get started. You're going to just cut into the sod. And when you get a piece out, you're just going to flip it over and put it back in the ground, grass down. And you're just going to move along like that. Now, sometimes we put cardboard over the grass first for a couple of weeks to kill the grass off and make it easier to work with. And then after that's done, you just want to leave it for a couple of weeks, let it settle, let the grass kind of die off, and then you're going to go back up to the place that you have already turned over, and you can see we have some that we turned over up here, and you're just going to break up any clumps that are still there. You're going to work this with your shovel. You can work it with a hoe, and you're just going to do that a few times over a couple of weeks to soften it up. And then you're going to add compost and probably lime to the top, which you can get both of those things at the garden center. And you're ready to plant. You're ready to make rows and plant. You can do this anytime in the spring when the ground is ready to work, and anytime throughout the year after that. If you start after mid-June, then you're probably not going to plant in it this year, but you can still get it ready for next year. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you join us online to view more of our resources and our other videos on backyard gardening. Thanks.